What's going on? We back, man. Another video. Man, we got a lot of packages to open for y'all today. Show y'all all the parts that touched down for the brougham. We got so much stuff that came in and still ain't all here yet. I gotta send some stuff back too because I got some parts that don't even, go with it. So actually they do. I think they just sent me two of the same ones. So I gotta send some parts back and get those changed out so we can actually get started. But man, it's just been so hot outside. I really ain't been able to do anything. It was like 106 outside, so it's like 115 in the garage. The sun is just now starting to go down, so I'm able to come outside and kind of get y'all like an overview of where we're going next with it. I think this weekend I'm gonna get out and drive it, man, and actually enjoy it before we start tearing all of it down again. And yeah, so let me flip this camera around and show y'all what all we got in today. Y'all can see we got the car in the garage, back in its spot. Start off. Man, I got this new carpet I got in. I got it tossed over on my kid's car, so we got to clean all this out. Got this new carpet. I wasn't gonna change the carpet, but I decided, man, after looking at it, this real thick plush carpet is kind of outdated. So, and I think when I put new mats in there, it'll be easier to lay down some thin mats with this. So that'll be good. And we need to get the mats. I'm still waiting on all of these to come in. The crazy part is I was able to get these working with one hand. I got the window sweeps, not the sweeps, but the channels. But they only sent me the front because I can't find anybody that produces the back. I checked Rock Auto, they only had the front. Anyway, so we got the front window channels to put in. We also got, I was telling y'all, man, sometimes you don't want to do stuff twice. I'm gonna end up doing it twice. We got, let's see, the QA1 front coilovers. And we went with the 500-pound race spring this time instead of like the 300 I did on the Monte Carlo. It just didn't work out well. Also, new lower trailing on for the back. I also got these from Rock Auto, and I thought I had the uppers, but they sent me two sets of lowers, so I got to send these back and get my money back. And the weird part is it said uppers, so I emailed them, and they're like, well, that's probably just a mishap. Got those. Let me cut this box open, see what we got in here. Pull it out. Open these boxes. So many boxes. Packages in my garage right now. We got probably a box inside a box, no? We got this TRQ. We got brand new lower control arms, so that must mean that this box right here is the upper control arms. Yeah, those are the upper control arms right there. Also from TRQ. I bought this whole kit from TRQ. So it's uppers and lowers is one kit. So I get them TRQ, auto parts, they got that stuff. So like I said, some of the stuff came in. We got upper, lowers, rear trailer arms. The front coilovers and springs came in. Still waiting on the rear coilovers and springs to show up. So we got a lot of stuff coming. Gonna start with this carpet probably when the heat is not so crazy. We also got stuff for the Camaro. The rear shock showed up for the Camaro. And we got, let me see what else we got for the Camaro. We got a little more stuff for the Camaro. I got the I wanted to put the SS gauge cluster in there, so went to pick this up out of my salvage yard. Got this little pigtail to wire it in. So we'll be doing that on the Camaro soon. Switching out just that regular console and going with those. Yeah, we got so much going on. So much car stuff right now, man. It's kind of overwhelming, but we're gonna stay to it. And also, man, I'll tell y'all something that's pretty cool, man. I had a guy today at work, man. He gave me this little cool little hat that he had. He's like, man, I think you like it. So he gave me a hat with the Cadillac logo on there because he seen the car, which I thought was pretty dope. So shout out to him for the hat. But anyway, that was just a quick video for y'all, man, showing y'all what we got going on with all the parts coming in. We finna just really dive into this car a little bit more, a little further. We wanna get the stance right. We wanna get, you know, the front. Actually, I'm trying to get the front up a little bit higher in the front. And as far as the back, I wanna get the back down a little bit. About 1 inch lower in the back and about 1/2 inch higher in the front. Maybe 1 inch higher in the front, so it'll have that nice little squat to it and ride how I want it. And then, yeah. Y'all see it, man. We just gonna keep grinding on this car, keep pushing. I think I'm gonna get it mechanically 100% sound before we send it off and get the hood and the trunk painted. And also, man, something else I think I figured out, but I really need y'all's help, man. I've been reading forums. I'm trying to figure out why my odometer reads erratic. It's not the speedometer, it's the odometer that just reads all over the place. And I notice when it does it, I get an anti-lock light on and then it's all over the place. But whenever it's not doing it, the anti-lock light goes off and it'll have the accurate mileage on the car. Instead of saying it's got 1,000,000 miles, it'll have the accurate miles, the 132,000 or whatever it is. So yeah, if y'all know anything about that, let me know. But as of right now, man, I'm finna get in the house and enjoy the rest of the night with my family. Probably throw on the new Bad Boys and just enjoy that. So yeah, appreciate y'all for checking in on this video, man. Just an update with all the parts and stuff we got going on and all the motion we finna get going with this car. So we're gonna see y'all in the next video.